Why don't seniors like to joke about their walk-in tub shower combo? Because they're afraid it might be a drain on their humor. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on walk-in tub shower combo for seniors. Tip 1. Choose the right size. One critical aspect to consider when choosing a walk-in tub shower combo for seniors is its size. Ensure the tub fits well within the available bathroom space. Bearing in mind there will need to be enough room for the door to open and close safely. Also, the tub should be deep enough for a comfortable soak, but not so deep that it is difficult for the senior user to step in and out. Tip 2. Consider the door type. There are two types of doors for walk-in tubs, inward or outward opening. While the inward opening doors require less space, they can't be opened when the tub is full. On the other hand, outward opening doors require more space to open, but can always be opened, providing an essential safety feature in case of emergency. Tip 3. Check the entry threshold. Walk-in tubs are designed with lower thresholds to make entry and exit easier, but it's essential to ensure that the specific model you choose has a sufficiently low threshold for the senior who will be using it. Each individual will have different mobility capabilities, so it may be wise to have the senior participant in the selection process. Tip 4. Prioritize comfort and ergonomics. Comfort should be a top priority when choosing a tub shower combo. Look out for features like molded seating, lumbar support, and easy-to-reach controls. Ergonomic designs will make the bathing experience more comfortable and safe for seniors. Tip 5. Look for anti-slip features. The interior of the tub should have anti-slip surfaces to prevent accidental falls while stepping in and out of the tub or during the shower. Having non-slip mats outside the tub can also increase safety. Tip 6. Ensure easy-to-operate controls. Complicated controls can be confusing to the elderly, especially those with memory issues or low vision. Look for a model with simple, easy-to-use controls. Tip 7. Examine drainage speed. A long wait for the tub to drain can leave a senior feeling cold and uncomfortable. Therefore, choose a tub shower combo with a fast drainage system. Some tubs even come with dual drain technology to speed up this process. Tip 8. Opt for handheld showers. A handheld shower head can be a beneficial feature. It provides more control over the water direction, making it easier to rinse off without needing to stand or move around too much. Tip 9. Install grab bars. Grab bars offer extra stability and support when entering or exiting the tub and can be a crucial safety feature. Ensure to locate them within an easy reach. Tip 10. Evaluate water and heater capacity. Ensure that you have a water heater that can fill the entire tub with warm water. Some larger tubs might require a bigger water heater than the standard size. Tip 11. Invest in hydrotherapy features. Some walk-in tubs offer therapeutic options such as hydrotherapy jets. These can help soothe aching muscles and joints and offer a level of relaxation, which can add a significant benefit for many seniors. Hence, if budget allows, investing in such features could be worth considering.